As you drive, you'll encounter traffic signals at busy intersections. These signal lights are important because they control the flow of traffic, reduce collisions, and allow pedestrians to cross the street safely. You'll see traffic signals along the side of the road or above the intersection. The most common traffic signal consists of 3 colors: red, yellow, and green, and each one conveys a specific message. A red traffic signal means stop. You must come to a complete stop at the marked stop line on the pavement or before entering a crosswalk. If there is no marking, then stop before you enter the intersection. If you plan to make a right turn at the intersection and there is no sign prohibiting it, you may proceed after you've made a complete stop and check that there is no cross traffic. The same applies when making a left turn at a red light, but only when turning from a one-way street onto another one-way street. A yellow traffic signal warns that the signal is about to change red. You should be prepared to stop. If you can't do that safely, look out for other vehicles that may enter the intersection when the light changes and proceed with caution. A green traffic signal means go. You can drive through the intersection, but only after yielding the right-of-way to pedestrians or other cars. Do not enter the intersection if you can't get completely through it before the traffic signal light turns red. If you block the intersection, you can get a ticket. Sometimes you may see a flashing traffic signal. If it's flashing red, you must come to a complete stop. Traffic within the intersection or crosswalk has the right-of-way, so wait until it's safe to drive through the intersection. If the signal is flashing yellow, slow down, check your surroundings, and proceed with caution. At some of the busier intersections, the traffic signal may also show arrows, which will point in the direction that you're allowed to turn. For example, if you're in a designated turn lane and the arrow points to the left, you may turn in that direction only when the arrow is green. You cannot turn if the arrow is red. But what should you do if the traffic signal lights are not working? In this case, you should approach the intersection as if it's controlled by stop signs in all directions. Make a full and complete stop and check traffic in all directions before proceeding. Remember, following the rules of the road is important in keeping you and others safe. To learn more about how to maneuver through intersections, study the California Driver Handbook.